Hello, classmates and Professor. We're here to talk about the when it deals with in reference to client servers, the thin clients and the thick clients. And I'm going to use an example, the difference of the two. Okay, but a thin client is basically it's a computer system that runs on a server in a computer-based environment. So basically, what happens is that it uses a remote server environment. A good example, the military is infrastructure is designed that way. Uh, when I first joined the Navy, the military, we used the thick clients based thing. So basically, we had the thick client wasn't connected to a server. So basically, we had a system, a large size system within each work center, and that work center. The information was self-sustained. So basically, a lot of the data we had to reports and things, since it wasn't on the network, we had to download it from that particular stationary system that was in the inside of our work centers. And then anytime there was any updates or anything like that, software updates, program updates, or any hardware update, the IT person had to come into the work center and they had to do on the spot updates. So uh, basically they have to go to each individual station to do particular updates, whatever was required of that. So that was more complex, a more expensive way of doing business. So today's thin clients, most businesses are set up on thin clients, which, like I said, is basically a computer-based system that has a server, has a server-based computer environment. Uh, so usually, IT department they have IT's working this particular space that they control all the computers on the network. So if there's any software update, it's basically done via through the server and it's implemented through all the computer systems. Only time they do anything different than that is hardware. If they have to come in and do hardware changes, that's totally different. But when it comes to data, uh, software and programs and things that a lot of that is that resident resides on the network system. So and it perform and basically the computation and calculations are done within that in that total network. Okay, so I saw two phases of that in the military. So I came from a thin client, I mean a thick client, and we transitioned over to a thin client type network. So it's pretty unique. And again, it's more effective, it's cheaper for a company or business to operate, and believe it or not, it's more secure. If you don't believe that, because a lot of times, like I said, it's a self-sustained network system that they can be able to control the security measures for the whole network. And again, like I said, on the thin client, it's a centralized place where they centralize servers for the whole organization, and it's easier to operate. Okay, I used to work hand in hand when, especially when we, uh, uh, in my particular work center, if we had something programs that we designed through our database or something we wanted the whole command to see, we had to go to our IT department and they'll upload it into the network so it'll be accessible for all the computers that were connected to the network. So it's kind of unique. So those are the two things: the thin client and the thick client. And like I said, the advantage of the thin client is more efficient and it's more cheaper than the old systems that were used, the thick client system. So that's basically it in a nutshell. Thank y'all. Uh, uh, I inquire or you can go ahead and make a post and I will respond. But thank you again. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you.